Changeable skies, certainly. We had the rain this morning. The low clouds gave way to some sunshine, and temperatures certainly climbed to some pleasant levels this afternoon, upper 50s and lower 60s, and now we're starting to see that sun going down after 6 o'clock. 59 our afternoon high. We're holding at 57. We didn't see a whole lot of rain from this morning, very early. Most locations picking up under a quarter of an inch. We had 12/100ths outside our studios earlier today. 57 the current reading there in Stanton, and an afternoon high of 62. 14/100ths of an inch of rainfall from this morning. Right now we've got 54 in Orange, same in Palmyra, same there in Buckingham, and we've got 57 in Stanton and 50 on the mountain at Wintergreen. Temperatures here tonight only fall back into the mid to lower 40s. Now, even though we've cleared out in some locations, we're likely to see more clouds fill back in, and we're likely to see some areas of fog to develop as well. Some of that could be locally dense early tomorrow morning, as we'll certainly have that damp ground, a little bit of clear skies. That'll promote some of the fog to develop along with light wind. Now, temperatures tomorrow are still warm. That'll be the last go of it this week. Temperatures for most of us will top out in the low 60s. And as we get into the late afternoon and early evening hours tomorrow, that's going to be the best time for more rain. It could be a quick moving line of some gusty showers, perhaps a thunderstorm or two, and that'll be ahead of a cold front. Now, currently, a marginal risk is highlighted for areas east of the Blue Ridge. It covers a good amount of real estate. That's 1 on a scale of 5 for severe weather. The main threat would be some isolated damaging wind gusts during that time period with any shower or thunderstorm that materializes. The winds aloft will be very strong, so if that wind is tapped down to the surface, it could certainly cause some issues. Now, in terms of rainfall, most locations will probably be under ½ an inch, taking us through late tomorrow night. But another more mild or warm day here for Wednesday, and then we turn sharply colder as we get into Thursday and Friday and into the start of the weekend. It'll be windy as well here on Thursday, wind gust of 20, 30 plus miles an hour. Things are quiet on NBC29's exclusive dual pole triple Doppler radar. You can see where we cleared out a little bit, but then again, more clouds will start to fill back in. We have a front that's just off on our doorstep and another system that's farther out to the west. There'll be ongoing snow tonight for areas like Detroit and back down across portions of the Plain States. Yes, there's colder air, and we're going to tap into some of this once this next system kind of departs through here tomorrow night. So at the jet stream level, you'll notice this dip or trough out to the west. Well, look what happens as it progresses east and propels that next cold front through. It'll chase away the warmth, and we'll have some colder air to deal with here for the late week and into the start of the weekend. So similar to last week, we turn sharply colder by the end of the week. So again, tonight there could be some drizzle, areas of fog. Tomorrow morning we'll start with some low clouds and fog. That'll give way to some sunshine, upper 50s, lower 60s. But then here we are as we get closer towards 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Some heavy rain, some gusty winds, perhaps a thunderstorm or two. That's ahead of the actual front that'll sweep through here, turning windy and colder here on Thursday. We'll start in the low and mid 30s and daytime highs holding in the 40s. Tonight then, mostly cloudy, a little bit of drizzle, some areas of fog, most of us in the mid to lower 40s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Again, another warm day tomorrow, but a little bit more active. We'll watch that late tomorrow afternoon and early evening as the front rolls through. And then as we head into Thursday, windy and colder. Temperatures the rest of the week in the 40s. Valley locations likely in the upper 30s, especially Saturday, which will be the coldest day. And then as we roll into March, we see temperatures starting to warm up as we get into early next week.
All right. Thank you.